I guess it's a milestone now to be able to say that you, DP Engineering, have used PSL Datatrack for over 20 years now.
20 years, time has flown by.
So would you say they have been the backbone of your business?
They have. So we've gone from the typical Excel collecting data, customer records on Excel data sheets, File Explorer, and now we're trying to really use the system to drive us for future growth.
So where were you then and where are you today with PSL?
So PSL, we started then with one module. We now have every one but one, but Jeff, I'm sure will correct me on that. So we've built up over the time with all the data that we've got, and we're really trying to extract all the information that it can tell us. Good data in, good data out.
Phil, PSL Datatrack isn't just a typical ERP system though, is it?
It's not. It's built for subcontract engineers, so they know the pain points that we have in the industry, and they've built a system to be able to utilise how production environments are meant to run.
So what have been your pain points where you've gone, actually, this really got me out of this?
Our pain points have been the amount of data that we have to now collate. So we've now got customer orders, we've got more customers. So taking their journey from their data input to a dispatch is now all managed through PSL data collection.
So is it making your life easier then?
Regarding accessing the data, very much so. So it's now the one-stop shop to get everything we need in the business, right through from ordering material to seeing what gauge you have on site, what material you have on site, right through to dispatch. So any information that's requested, this is the first point of call for us.
So as a company, we have a similar system, but obviously different industry. But we found it quite difficult to implement in the beginning. But my goodness me, we couldn't run our business if it wasn't for that.
The implementation has been one of our pain points.
Yeah.
So yeah, we're 20 years in the run now with PSL. We're still learning some of the modules. We've got a recent one recently, the contract review module. But our biggest thing is getting everyone in the team using it. So instead of just implementing the background, we've really tried to involve everyone right through from the office, through to the shop floor, to goods in material to access how it works and how it should meant to work.
So you can add on different modules. What's the latest?
The latest module we've purchased is the contract review module. So that's really helped us as a team build our quotation and then have all our actions and requirements at order stage flow right through to the system, which has been really handy for us.
So if someone doesn't have PSL Datatrack, why would you say you need this, especially in this industry? Because Jeff and the team have tailored the whole product purely for engineering machine shops, haven't they?
I think you've nailed it on the head. It's very tailored for our industry, and everything is customizable as well. So you're able to take those options, change them to what you suit, different reports, different logic, even the colors it has on the screen. You can change it all to suit what you want.
And it's very much about traceability nowadays. How's that helped you?
Audits are a lot easier to have everything in one place. So process audits from an aerospace job now will report to shop floor data collection. Everything is logged in the system. It's all there. Audit comes up, bring up the Datatrack traceability report. You start there. So instead of having lots of different people running around finding paper, it's all offline.
And in your opinion, at what point do you believe a business should implement this into their company?
So we, part of the subcontract industry, we know a lot of other people in our industry. I know companies that are one-man bands, and I know companies who are 300-400 people who are using PSL Datatrack.
Really? And
with the ability at what point to bring it in, if we could go back, it's all about getting that first module correct. For PSL, it starts with the company details. So as soon as you release that into the system correctly, the rest of the module should flow. When to do it? It's a tricky question, not sure.
Yesterday.
Yesterday.
That's the best answer. Yeah, so you'd say that it's really helped your business grow, and would you be where you are today if it wasn't for these types of
We wouldn't, no, because we wouldn't be able to manage all the information that it can do. So we've really tried to get away from somebody telling us that we should do something next. We now rely on the system to do that. And I think the more customers we bring on, the more number of components we produce, the level that's required from our customers as well, we can really do it about this system.